வணக்கம். We have seen many doubling rules. In doubling rules, we learned how to calculate the number of years it will take to double our investment at a particular rate of interest. For that, how to apply these rules? We have seen many rules. Now, whether there is any rule for making our investment in 3 times or 4 times. Shall we see that? Rule of 114 and 144. These compounding rules are derived from the rule of 72. And rule of 114 is used to estimate the amount to be tripled, and the rule of 144 is used to calculate the amount of investment to be made into 4 times. Example, I invested rupees 10,000 at a rate of interest 8%. That is, I want to make this 10,000 into 3 times. How? 114 divided by 8% of interest equal to 14.25. That is, it will take 14 years 3 months to make my 10,000 rupees into 30,000 at the 8% rate of interest. Like this, I want to make my 10,000 rupees of investment into 4 times, that is 40,000. Simply apply the rule of 144. How? 144 divided by the same rate of interest, that is 8%, I will get 18. That is, within this 18 years, I can make my investment into 4 times, that is 10,000 will be made as 40,000 according to this rule. Now we will see the other way, that is, I want to know how many years it will take to invest and make it double or triple or 4 times. For that purpose, these rules, that is making it double, rule of 72, making it triple, rule of 114, making it 4 times, rule of 144. I am applying all these rules. Now, take the case of another situation. Same rule, how does it work? I want to triple my investment in 12 years. Very simple. At which rate of interest I have to invest? 114 divided by 12. I will get 9.5. So I have to invest this 10,000 rupees at 9.5% of interest to triple it. And if I want to make the same 10,000 into 40,000 in 15 years, at which rate of interest I have to invest? Simply divide this 144 by 15, that is the number of years, I will get 9.6. That is, I have to choose an interest rate at 9.6% portfolio in which I need to invest. These rules are very simple and all are in practical in many of the countries, in many of the organization. Thank you. We will meet with another interesting concept in the next video.